Okay, behind me just arrived this fantastic Range Rover D350 HSE on the newest plate, 74 with 5,000 miles. Selling these cars isn't always just about the price. Yes, it's a massive saving from list. £120,000 new this car cost. We're advertising it at 103,990. It isn't all about the price, it's about the spec as well. If you look in the market, a lot of these cars don't look like this. This has all the key ingredients you would want from one of these. Spec over and above the 23-inch wheels, the Shadowline exterior, Santorini black paint, sliding roof, deployable Towbar, Grand Black Veneer on the inside. In a new condition, this HSE gives you head-up display, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, Meridian 3D surround system. It's the 350 horsepower diesel engine. It's a fantastic vehicle to drive. Honestly, these cars, if you've never driven one, they're as good as anything four-wheel drive as you could physically buy in the market, no matter what that cost is, by the way. And they look great, the technology is fantastic. This is a facelifted car, so again, we talk about the center console, the digital dials for the climate control taken away and put into the screen. It's a little bit cleaner, but look at that center console with the Grand Black Veneer. It looks really sleek. Sliding roof, that's an option. Then obviously the exterior makes all the difference to these cars for us, because if you're going to buy one, we sell ones with smaller wheels, by the way, but the 23s make the difference, as does the Shadowline exterior, which is the darkened chrome work throughout. We've then got the black car. Now, black cars like this are the most desirable colour when they look particularly like this car. It's a 74, so it's the newest registration. Again, that's really important because they're very difficult to buy from the dealer like this, especially at this cost. You know, it's a fantastic price with the way it looks. Cluster of buttons here, you'll see we've got deployable Towbar, which again, another really, really costly option when you're buying one from brand new. And it's just a really top car. So this car's offering you space, it's offering you great fuel efficiency and the extra horsepower you get from the 350 engine. So in the rear, we've got black leather, we've got Meridian 3D surround. Now, switchable cabin lighting, rear climate control, you've got heated and ventilated seats to the rear, loads of cabin space in this, whether you're being driven or you're driving it. Fabulous experience. And then to the front, soft closed doors, by the way, keyless entry. We have a really sleek cockpit, clear sight camera in the HSE. We've got Meridian 3D, like I've said. We've got head-up display. The car is fantastic with 5,000 miles on. I don't know why anyone would want to go and buy a brand new one. Honestly, I don't, because you'd just be throwing money away. And it's really important for us because we sell a lot of these cars. We have a lot of fantastic customers who buy them from us, and we do offer a fantastic service as well. So sitting in this car, what do I notice? It's a great driving position, really clear view, and the head-up display is a real important feature on one because it gives me the focus on driving but still giving me the information that I need. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, like I say, heated and ventilated front seats. This massive is 11.4-inch touchscreen, which offers me the most up-to-date camera system, 3D surround, top view camera and towing camera when we've got the Towbar. Wireless smartphone integration, wireless smartphone charging, space for my cup holders, or my cups here for my driver and passenger, 2 keys for the car. Everything is in a like new order, just as you'd want it. There is loads more features as well, wireless smartphone integration, obviously navigation, but you'd probably connect your phone and use your phone through the car. This is a real key feature as well, it's a clear sight camera. If you've never seen one before, there's a camera in the area at the back of the car, allowing me to give a clear view of the traffic behind without seeing the rear passengers or using the normal mirror. Also sliding roof, really important feature on one of these. This is a top car on a 74, like new, on the website now. It's all about the spec, then the price. Thanks for watching.